today I wanted to eat traditional breakfast deep fried dough and fresh made soy milk. The reason you want to soak the soybean in burning hot water but without cooking it is to get rid of the raw taste. Then you want to get rid of the skin on soybean completely, therefore your soybean milk will go very smooth. I don't have a pressure cooker, so what I have to do is high heat stir the soy milk until it's boiled and keep stirring until the bubble is gone. The bubble is what you don't want to ruin the whole pot of texture. The easiest way, use a pressure cooker for 15 minutes, then your soybean milk will come out just perfect. So the key to keep the fried dough empty and fluffy inside and crispy outside is not to kneading the dough. If you like the fried dough to be the traditional way. learn from my mistake, then I share with you. Because I believe there is a lot of you like to try, and there is a lot of you like me who can only eat the food if I'm making it on my own, because you just cannot get on the street everywhere anymore. I'm gonna eat the traditional way, and it's my favorite. This is all for today. Thanks for watching. I really love to see you next time.